Hello friends, I am Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, compare the video exporting rendering from 1080 to 4K comparison between the Snapdragon 855 Plus versus Snapdragon 860 versus Snapdragon 865. So this is going to be really very interesting comparing with this kind of Snapdragon process. Let's see friends how much difference we can actually expect between this Snapdragon process. The phones which I'm trying to use are Realme X2 Pro and the Poco X3 Pro, which has got the Snapdragon 860 and 865, which is from the iQOO 3 device. As you can see, iQOO 3. Now let me open the kinemaster application, and all the phones I did load the same kind of version only in terms of the kinemaster application. So let me load the same video, and I'll try to move to the export page. Let me to keep the export page ready, and I'll try to show you friends. First, I'm trying to use the 1080 video format during this time of testing. So I'll try to convert 1080 to 4K. Let's see, I'll try to select exactly the 4K, and all the phones I'll try to select exactly at the same time. So let me to zoom it slightly the camera so you'll be able to see exact the estimated size and bitrate. Everything is completely same. All the three smartphones, as you can see friends, all the three phones. Now it's kind of very confusing. I'll try to keep in the sequence order. So starting from the Snapdragon 855 Plus, Snapdragon 860 and Snapdragon 865. So now you can definitely understand clearly what is happening between the Snapdragon process. Let me to start the save as a video. Yes, absolutely. And I'll try to click at same time. All the three phones at same time. Let me do at same time. Let's see. Yes, so I did click at same time. So Snapdragon 855 Plus, 860 and 865. Let's see friends how much difference we can actually see. And it is a phone which I can definitely show you. This is a Realme X2 Pro, which is a Snapdragon 855 Plus, and this is a Snapdragon 860 processor, Poco X3 Pro device. So let's see how much difference. So say 865. At this moment, I think the Snapdragon 865, there's a little bit kind of differences there between the 865 and the 860, just a little bit. And the 855 Plus, as you can see in the Realme phone, how it's where position it is, the Realme X2 Pro device. You can see exactly what is happening with the X2 Pro at this moment. So Snapdragon 860 is slightly better when compared with the Snapdragon 865. These two are really close to each other, and next position goes to the Snapdragon 855 Plus. So in this kind of phones, let's see friends, I think the Snapdragon 865 will be completing this exporting first. So this is a 4K. So just remember friends, this is a 1080 to 4K I'm trying to convert. So this is really kind of intense kind of task, I can definitely understand. So yes, the iQOO 3 with the Snapdragon 865 did finish first, and next after some time the Poco X3 Pro with the Snapdragon 860 will be finishing. As you can see, it's finished. And then Snapdragon 855 Plus, which is present in the Realme X2 Pro, it's taking some time. You can see the time, how much it's taking. So this is the kind of difference you can actually expect when you're trying to convert the 1080 clip into the 4K rendering. This is what the difference is between all this Snapdragon process. So a few of the users did ask me this kind of question. That is the reason I thought of making this video. Let me try to convert 1080 into 1080. Let's see what will happen if I try to convert only 1080 into 1080. I'm trying to use same bitrate, same estimated file size in all the three smartphones. Let me try to start at same time. I'll try to do. Let's click at same time. Yes. So all the three smartphones I did click at same time. So this is going to be really interesting results. So this should not take much time because 1080 to 1080 doesn't require much of the performance at all. So let's see. And the Snapdragon 865, it's doing really great job. As you can see, it's kind of loading very much faster than the other Snapdragon processors. And the Snapdragon 855 Plus and the 860, you can see right now between these two phones. So I am trying to use same 1080 to 1080 only. I'm trying to convert right now. Now the Snapdragon 855 Plus was able to perform slightly close to 860, and the 865 finished the task. As you can see, the Snapdragon 865. So yes friends, do not underestimate the Snapdragon 865. It's really powerful, close to Snapdragon 870. In my experience, that is what I did came across in terms of the performance wise. So right now, as you can see, both phones, they're doing great job, and I think the Realme X2 Pro might finish faster. I think so, if it continues. As you can see exactly. So X2, so Snapdragon 865 finished, and now this is the complete comparison friends between all of these three phones. And in case if you have any other doubts, let me know in the comment section below. And thank you for watching this video. And in terms of the rendering test, these are the quick results, how much speeds you can actually expect between all of these three processors: Snapdragon 855 Plus, 860 and 865. See you in the next video friends. I'll stay tuned for more updates. Meanwhile, bye.